Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. Since I'm still in south area of Bali, let's see the other side of Kuta. This is Jalan Bakung Sari. And as you can see, this is the situation. Not really busy. It's sunset time actually, but it's a bit cloudy. And last night or early in the morning, we got quite big rain. So I want to see the beach situation because last time it was I had to say not really good beach that had like big abrasion or erosion. Which one is correct word to use? Okay, so today I will go to the beach and let's see the situation, guys. But as you can see here at Jalan Bakung Sari, nothing much is happening. Few tourists, and here on the right side is the Royal Regan trees. They're preparing themselves for dinner in front of the hotel, and there are so many political parties flags because next year we will choose our new president on February, so it will be a lot of flags for political party flags. Okay, so let's go to the beach. I think most of you know about this street. This is the Kuta Square, or still Jalan Bakung Sari, but look at that, the traffic is quite bad. And we are entering the market. So many cars. It should be busy. And here on the left side is the market. Unfortunately, from here you cannot enter. But if you don't want to walk inside, they have a lot of shops as well on the front side here. Jerseys and a lot of things, guys. So if you want to walk to the market, you can come from there and also on the other side. Okay, so let's go to the beach. Hopefully we can see sunset even though it's a bit cloudy. And this time I want to drive you to the left side from here. But look at the statue. Well, that's Kuta Beach. Let's go this side. I think most of you know about this spot. Here is the parking area, the temple, and here there used to be a lot of food court, but they have moved the food court to the other side. And here, this is new things from this area. They have kind of like a small cafe. It looks nice, so you can enjoy your drinks here. And I have bin bags like this. Okay, so let's walk to the other side. This beach actually is very famous for domestic or international tourists, especially domestic tourists. They like to come to this beach. And for you that want to have more relaxed, you can come to this area because there is no bars or drink sellers around here. But if you want to have a lot of busy area, you can go to the other side. You can drink or you can do surfing. They have a lot of guys there provide you surfing lessons. And regarding the price, you can check directly with them because last time I asked the price. Some of them say 150, some of them say 200,000 and 350. So not really sure which price is the best one, but maybe it depends on the quality and the service as well. Hopefully we can see sunset later, but now it looks like this. It's not really good. And the beach itself, as you can see, is very clean. glad to see this. Hopefully, during the rainy season, our beach will still clean like this. Because last year during the rainy season, the beach was not really good. It was so dirty, a lot of plastics, trash. Now it's a bit better, and hopefully it will be getting better and better. Wow, look at that side. It's very cloudy there. Maybe it's raining now on that side. It is in Canggu area, I think, or Seminyak area. So this is what is happening during the rainy season in Bali. For you that ask me if it's good weather to come in December or January, December, January still will be our rainy season, and February as well. But you don't need to worry actually when you come to Bali during the rainy season. It doesn't mean that we have rain like every day, whole day. No. The rain is sometime at night, quick shower, or sometime at noon, like 1 hour or 30 minutes rain. As long as you bring your umbrella, you will be okay, because the temperature is almost the same, like 30 degrees Celsius, not 40, I'm sorry, like 32, sometimes 29. And this is the jogging track here in Kuta. A lot of people like to do exercise here. And the front side here is part of the resort, I think Green Garden Resort or something. They have their restaurants, pool, and here they have their bar. Wow, it is nice. And if you want to do some shopping, they have also small market here, but they are closing by this time. It is around 6 o'clock. Nothing much is happening around here. Maybe I will walk to the other side. So let's go. So for you that would like to stay to this hotel, this is the situation here. And this is the Bedrock restaurant, or sorry, Boardwalk, something like that. It is nice restaurant. You can enjoy your food here. You can see the view of the beach and the sunset. And some staff cleaning the beach, which is very good. Hopefully all the people will not throw any trash here, so that this place will keep clean. And last time also I came to this Discovery Mall, so let's see today. I think it's really busy. I can see from here there are so many people there. And probably they will have something performing here, but not really sure what time they will start. A lot of people sitting down there. I will ask the security what they will have here. Ini mau ada tarian ya?
Iya Pak, ini ntar
Jam.
ada tari Nusantara.
Tari jam berapa?
Kalau jamnya belum tahu pasti sih.
Ya.
Kayaknya jam 6 lewat sih. Soalnya sekarang udah jam 6 belum aja.
Ya. Itu ada tiketnya apa?
Enggak ada, dia free Pak.
Oh gitu ya?
Ya, jadi setiap pertunjukan yang di sini free.
I spoke with the security earlier. He didn't know what time the dance will start, but what he knows is there will be Nusantara dance there, so there is no ticket, so it's free to watch. So I'll come back later. I don't know what time, maybe like 6:30, 6:45 it will start. Not really sure too. Wow, look at the sunset. It's pretty nice sunset. Okay, so let's keep walking and let's see the situations around here. Here on the left side, it must be part of the Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel. And this is the Shokube restaurant. Look at this. There are so many people here. It is very nice restaurant, isn't it? I mean, the location is very good. You can just enjoy your food and drinks here, and while enjoying the view of the sunset. And there are some people there trying to catch the fish. So each person has their own like net, and they will throw it to get the fish. It's nice. Take some pictures here. This hotel has really big pool. Look at that. And they have small garden inside of the pool, which is very cool. Apa itu?
Kita ada steakhouse, Bapak, seafood and grill.
Oh, ini di hotel sini ya?
Ya,
Boleh saya videoin ya?
boleh.
So she said she has promotion tonight, just only for tonight or
Oh, every day.
every day? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So what do we have here? From here, tapas. I have so many things I don't even know how to pronounce it.
It's okay.
I hope you can see it from here. So if you stay in Bali, you can come to this place. It is by the Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel, and also here. The Wagyu,
Yeah.
that's nice. And also here, this is the
For the salad.
yeah. Okay, I hope you can see it. I make it closer, and I'll show it once again. Mbak, itu apa ya?
Yang sebelah sini, Bapak,
Ah,
itu dome, itu bangunan free function.
untuk apa?
Untuk party, birthday party bisa, wedding juga bisa.
Oh gitu ya.
Iya. Atau mau meeting juga bisa.
Bisa ya?
Ya.
Lah, kayak multifunction dome gitu ya?
Ya.
Oke. Oke, thank you ya, Mbak Ulandari. So I asked her about this building because last time I was so curious about this one. She said this is a multifunction dome, so people can use it for meeting, birthday party, or gathering, something like that.
Selamat datang di Discovery Kuta Bali. Bapak Ibu sedang menyaksikan Wonderland Indonesia. Pertunjukan ini disajikan dalam bentuk tari kreasi sebagai sarana hiburan. Baik Bapak Ibu, pertama-tama kita akan datang ke Pulau Jawa, tari Jaipong. Tari Jaipong.
Okay, so that was the dance, actually, Nusantara dance. It is from all over Indonesia, dance from Java, Sumatra, and etc. Okay, so that's all for today's video from this area. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much, and bye now.